牛唔飲水唔撳得牛頭低。牛唔飲水唔撳得牛頭低。
This slang is quite long, 10 characters. You may know at least 6 characters out of 10. Its direct translation is when ox doesn't drink water, no one can press its head down. It means no one can force someone to do, unless he likes to do. It is very similar to the English expression you can lead a horse to the water, but you cannot make it drink. For example,
牛唔飲水唔撳得牛頭低，你自己話嚟幫手，而家又嫌辛苦。牛唔飲水唔撳得牛頭低，你自己話嚟幫手，而家又嫌辛苦。
In English, it means no one forced you to do. You said you came to help, but now you complain it is hard. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.